for a long time now. This has been a few years that I've come up here and had a different something happen down there every year, and I was waiting to have a second person with me before I did that climb down there into the great unknown. But this is how it worked out, so I did it by myself. I'm glad I did. In a way, it's got that thing where it takes away part of the mystery. Things got answered, put it that way. Questions got answered. And sometimes I think it's better to have a bit of mystery and don't find out the bottom line on everything. I think we need things that aren't known. And, you know, granted, this is a small scale. It's a ravine. Nothing's living in it, blah, blah, blah. But every year I've come up here, it's been a different experience. Something has always happened down there. But it's not home to anything. And that was my question. What's living down there? Is anything? No. No, the squirrel on the rock. There's no caves, there's no beds, there's no nothing where something would hang out someone. Yeah, maybe that. Where something would hang out long term. I think I've been here when stuff's on its way through from A to B. So I answered the question, but it kind of brought closure as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.